Yo, it's my live reaction of the new Overwatch update. It's currently in queue. Just, yay. Alright, new headphones. I think I'm just gonna leave it right there and just put the charger away. Can you? I'm just gonna go up my hammer. I'm not gonna show my house, but I'm gonna put this charger away quickly. But you can see it's 9,000 players ahead of you, and I'm gonna be opening my blocks. But let me just try and plug this in the back of my PC. Sec. You want my help? Is it working? Yay, charging. Okay, so as you can see, it's currently 8,000 Q. Yes. It does take quite a long time to load the queue in. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. So yeah, I think I might do an Overwatch series, but I forgot to tell you I'm starting to record PC games now. There's a new video uploading like right now. Let me actually four minutes remaining. Can't see that. It's a CS:GO video. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is, show you all the games I have. These, so don't really play anymore. CS:GO, Jump Dash, don't even play that. Steam, of course. Not Watch Dogs, I just did that, whatever. And Rainbow Six Siege, I have 500 hours. Right, let me just show you. So, Counter Strike 131, GTA 260, 507. I play Battlefield 5, but it doesn't work on this launcher. 20 hours, 130. I only played it when I first got it. Oh, I love this game now. Like, it's a good game. Just scores for you. Yeah, I play it quite a bit. Got it for I funded it. PUBG, I have it. I might do a video of PUBG in 2019. It's quite bad. Don't play that. No, this is definitely a meme game. The test server for this fucking thingy. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back on the queue, see where we are at the moment. 7,000. So yeah, I think I might do a CS:GO series. Hopefully it'll get more attention. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. the moment it's just like 3 subscribers. Hopefully we can bump that number up. But my most views is Fortnite, and I can't even play Fortnite because of that glitch. Well, I was good at Fortnite. I had like 100 wins on my OG account, none on the one I gave away for 20 quid, or the 20 quid one I gave away for free. Just finished, by the way, so if you're hoping to enter that, sorry, but you can enter in the OG one. It's going to happen at 100 subscribers. Just email me. My email's in the description of the start of the other one. I really can't be bothered to put it in the end of this one. So yeah, so this might take a while. Usually it takes about 10 minutes every time I go on an update. It's been 5 minutes, we're already 3,000 with the queue. So yeah, 6,000 now. So yeah, I think I'm going to open my loot box, show you my golden guns, show you everything that's just came out. And yeah. So I'm just do a quick, so you already know about my keyboard, my mouse, my PC. At the moment I do have a Ryzen 3 2nd gen in there with a that's good motherboard and a GTX 1050 Ti. It's like the CPU is a lot better than my graphics card, so I might have to upgrade that soon to a 1060, 6GB. Might. That's another video. I'll open it up in another video and show you. So yeah, as you can see, we're 6,000. You might want to just skip to when I actually get everything. I've never actually played Chinese New Year before. I started at 2018 anniversary event, and I'm level 233 at the moment. I don't really play the game anymore, but I thought I'd cover this new event because, you know, I played it for a bit. So yeah, you might as well skip now. 6,000 players. I'm just gonna... No! What'd I just do? What? Oh, did I just restart the queue by accidentally press? Oh! Oh!